Good morning, guys. Merry Christmas Eve to you guys. Okay, Ethereum, I've been excited to do this video, and I told you guys a little bit about this in Mana. By the way, Mana, guys, is looking really good, and we actually might be hitting our stop loss right now on the chart because things are crashing back down. So that may actually happen today. That's totally fine. We'll get back into some trades. But here is the thing that you need to be watching on this. We need to hold this ascending support line right now, or we could be crashing on Christmas Eve and moving into Christmas, okay? We have a 1, I'm going to call this a 2, and a 3 touch. It's been a powerful ascending support line, and now an ascending resistance, and then switch back now to an ascending support, and we may have actually just moved, we just hit, guys, into and ascending resistance because we broke below this. Here's the thing that we need to watch today very carefully over Christmas Eve as we move into the weekend here. If we can actually get a move above this area and start moving back up here, this can get very bullish very quickly because this is what's called an impulse to a consolidation to an impulse move back up. This is a bull flag on the lower time frames. So let me show this to you guys. I don't look at you guys can look at the indicators, it's fine. I keep them on the 4-hour time frame. Here's what we're looking at. The flag pull here, and then we have the actual flag pattern like this. This will usually look to break to the upside, but here's the line that we need to be watching right now. Now let's go back to the 4-hour chart, and I want to show you guys something here. Okay, let's move this down here, and we'll go like this. We are seeing right now that the trend exhaustion has been pushed up into the top red section here, and we saw a drop. Awesome. Make sure you guys are getting these indicators on your charts, by the way. Okay, this is calling the drop over here. This pushed up in the top red section. It called the drop over here as well. Guys, this literally, I've already done a video on this, but this has called the last 13 drops in Ethereum in the market. It has been incredible how accurate this has been for calling drops. You guys want to get this on your charts because of this. I'm just going to make this clear. We have a Christmas sale going on right now. You guys get 84% off all of the indicators. 84% off all of them. So when the well money flow is high and the trend exhaustion is high in here, this is where we're looking not to FOMO into the market because it's going up real fast, but we're looking for crashes back down. Okay, look at what happened over here. Not only are we able to call the drops, but we're able to call the jumps as well. Right around this area, the wick values, Ethereum could not go any lower. We pushed down to the bottom right section here. We could not go any lower. We saw a reversal. Could not go any lower here. And we saw what, guys? We saw the reversal. Well, what are we heading into right now? Based off what we've seen in the past, like obviously we saw the reversal here as well. But what are we seeing now? We are pushing into closer to the top red section here, and look at the market. We just went all red here based off that one single move. It's pretty crazy. So the market's going red here, and what am I expecting over today? If we start pushing back up here, yes, we could start moving into basically the bull flag and start moving back up, and that would be great, fantastic. But we are moving closer to the top red section here where we could actually start seeing drops back down in the market. Now, if we can hold this area, the target that I'm looking for is this next structured resistance. It is the greatest next resistance on the chart, which would give us about 5% profit on this trade. I want to hold until we're about 7.24% into the profit, but that's right around $4,500 where the next resistance is, and this is a bullish pattern. Now that we're breaking below this, and we can see this right now, we need to be very careful because this is going to drop the crypto market pretty fast. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. This is still good because we're above this support right here. If Bitcoin can stay above 49,640, this will give us some saving grace to actually possibly see a pump back up, okay? We need to be watching that. But as far as Ethereum goes, we need to hold this level, and it's okay if it wicks down, but a candle open and a close below this ascending support here, or resistance now, it is going to give us more bearish sign, and that's where we could actually start pushing down very closely into the support, which is going to be around $3,900. Watch these indicators and get them set up, guys. Do this. I'll show you guys this as well. You have a high and another higher high on the chart, but the flow of money is looking at a little bit of a downtrend right here, showing that money's flowing out of the market. This is divergence, which is why we're most likely getting the drop here, because money was not sustained, flowing into the market heavier. So let me explain this real quick. This will make sense when you guys have these indicators. If the flow of money pushed up really high, just as price action did, that meant the majority of money was following this. But in the back end, you guys can actually watch now to see where the flow of money is going. And if you guys connect these dots here, it's actually flowing out of the market, not giving us great signs. That's why every time we move up, we're moving down super fast. There's not a ton of money to actually keep the pump going. That is where we're literally looking behind the scenes in the charts and seeing what's going on. Okay, let's go over this now. I'll go over the indicators here in a second. I want to go over the metrics for Ethereum, and then I'll get you guys into our next trade setups here. Because we are currently, I showed this to you guys already, right? We're currently 98 for 98 wins on this channel. It's pretty crazy what we've been able to accomplish over here. And I'll show you guys how to get into those trades here in 1 second. Mana was our 98 for 98th win. Sitting in the neutral section here for Ethereum, okay? When we sit in the neutral section here, this is telling us that we're not seeing any huge spikes up or not really any huge spikes down. We're just kind of sitting in this neutral area right here, and that makes sense. Looking at this, it's telling me, you know, the best thing to do right now, guys, is not to FOMO into, you know, crazy trades, going long or going short. It's to set up the buy limits. Setting up buy limits to get good risk management in this market right now is what I suggest, and I'll show you how to do that here in a second. Looking at this, we see short trades elevated, but pretty flat here, and we see long trades, dropped out but flat here. This is still the same scenario. There has not been any type of crazy movement on Bitfinex for Ethereum. It is kind of weird. Something's going to happen here where one of these are going to break. Shorts are either going to drop or longs are going to go up, and it's going to be a precursor to what's going to happen in the market. When shorts dropped out here, guys, that's when we actually hit the bull market cycle. Do you guys see that? Shorts dropped out here, and we started to head down a little bit further here, but then as shorts dropped out here again, we ended up hitting the bull market cycle. If you come out here one day, literally this is just like a 24-hour thing that can happen here. Short trades moving out are going to give us what I call like a prophecy of the price starting to move back up. So this could happen very soon. Make sure you guys are watching that. Long versus short trade risk. We're sitting in the neutral section here, but we're still closer to the good long trade. I absolutely believe this. Guys, Ethereum is starting to see some bullish moves, and I'm seeing more YouTubers come out and be like, wow, I think we could actually get super bullish in Q1 of this next year. And I'm agreeing with that. I think we could actually end up pushing into that because we're starting to make some uptrend moves here. So watch that carefully. Like the account's not doing too bad. We're up about $3,000 in the last 24 hours. So that's been nice, and I keep this on the screen so you guys can see my portfolio of what I'm holding here. Okay, moving down here for the metrics. Let's go down to the well and institutional smart money. These guys control the market, literally. This is coming out here the last few days and showing us that as the price has been moving up, there's been short trades acquired by the wealth institutions. This is what we saw the drop here. That's where we ended up getting the drop. Now today when this updates, because it's going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is going to be about 52 minutes, this will most likely look for a move back up here, and we are probably going to see short trades maybe increase in here for this move back down, which is going to correlate to what we're actually seeing here. Okay, this is really smart that you guys watch this, because although this is a bull, this is a bull pattern, no one can unargue this is a bull flag, and this will usually look about 75% of the time to break back to the upside. But what it's doing is it's got to fake out a bunch of traders to the downside so people can put, the institutions can't put billions of dollars in the market unless they get retail traders to freak out and sell. Does that make sense? So when people sell like this, that's where a lot of the big guys get their money in, and this actually starts driving the price back up. Once this resistance is broken, we could be targeting that $4,500 area like I've been telling you. Okay, guys? Look at resistance. 4,500 is where I'm looking at, but we do have this resistance up here at 4,800 we could be targeting, or 3,500 at the bottom here. This is the bottom support. This is the top resistance. If I were to make a call between both of these, as long as we can stay above this area right here and we can actually get a bull flag to break resistance, I think we are heading to $4,500 and possibly heading up to 4,800. This is why this is such a crucial level, guys. This needs to hold above $4,000. Like $4,000, yes, it can bring back down here. It might be just a little bit of a wick back down. But as long as we hold $4,000, we could start seeing this push into an uptrend and be very nice. All right, let's finish this up here, and I'll get you guys into the next trades. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys want to wake up and check the charts every morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, you guys can do that. It'll get you guys into some nice trades, and you guys can hold for long term. This is giving us exit points. When we start moving back up here, we'll be looking for exits, because this is done very well for helping us call moves back down in the market. We're not looking for the absolute tops here. We are simply looking for, if we're in a long trade, should we be maybe taking some money out of the market, 25 to 50%. That's what I'm looking at, okay? Let's get you guys into these trades. All of our trades, guys, have been taken with one single membership, and it is the cheapest membership you guys will find online for this win rate. I'm positive about this, okay? Because I don't believe anyone else has a higher win rate than this. It's not being arrogant or anything like that. I've done my research. I cannot find it. The indicators, the risk management, and the metrics are holding up very, very well for us, and this is why we're not losing. And I'm also trading with you guys, so I'm putting my money where my mouth is, so I'm in the trenches with you on the highs and the lows, okay? By the way, EOS, I still hold the most amount because I think that coin could absolutely explode in 2022. Looking at this, guys, $49 a month. All you guys have to do is come in here and purchase this today. You guys will be able to get access to all of our metrics in here that I just showed you guys for all the coins, Ethereum, but you guys get it for all of them. And this is where you guys want to hang out. I am going to be upping the price of this monthly membership for the membership overall because it's too low and it's going to go up in price. I will give you guys grandfathered access in for everyone who purchases in the past up until when we up it, okay? You will stay at $49 a month forever, even if this goes to $100 or $200. That's my word to you guys, okay? I've already checked with our admin on our back end like 3 times to make sure that that was correct so I can actually quote it correctly on the video, but you guys will get that. Here's what you guys need to do today. You guys are going to be able to get access to this page over here, which is called Live Trades. Every single one of our trades we've taken, every one of them have been called out on this website right here, okay? I'm going to show you guys Bitcoin today, but Ethereum's right here. You guys want to update your buy limits. I literally am going to be updating buy limits right after this video here, and they're going to be updated for today. Let's get in here, and I'll show you guys how to do this. This is going to say 1224. It says 1223. Well, why does it say 1223? Because recording this video right now, it's currently 7:11 in the morning, and this doesn't update till 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So when this updates, guys, at 8 a.m., you guys are going to see the new updated buy limits. This is so easy to trade. Here's how you do this. Let's say you have $1,000 you want to trade with. You choose the amount. Simply take the amount you want to trade each of our coins with and split it into 4 equal portions, $250 each. Place 4 buy limits in your exchange for $250 at the exact same time, not parsed out, the same time. Once your first buy limit is hit, then set a sell limit at the green line. In this case, it's $58,900. This is for Bitcoin, remember. We're on Ethereum, but this is going to be what you're going to see for Ethereum. Same 4 yellow lines with a green line, 4 buy limits, 1 sell limit. Once that's all set up, which cannot get any easier, guys, the only last thing you need to do is get into the Telegram channel, which Telegram channel access is free with the membership, the $49 a month. That's where you guys get access to me as a one-on-one coach. I'm not doing videos for the second half of the day. I'm not doing videos over the weekend. We're taking a half day today because I want my employees and us all to enjoy Christmas, okay? But I will say this, if I see something crazy happening in the market, I am going to update you guys over Telegram. So you guys literally like have me in your pocket. Like if you knew me as a personal friend, this is how I text you guys of saying, hey, this is what I see. The mana trade was not called out on YouTube. It was called out on the Telegram channel, and a ton of people got into that, and guy made $8,000 in 24 hours just off that one single call. Just real quick, I'll sneak over here and show you guys. $8,000 in one single call. Another guy did $8,000 over here, 12% over here. They're doing amazing on the profits if you guys want to check that out. Okay, back over to what I was sharing with you guys. Once you guys are in the Telegram channel, you guys just need to get the indicators, and you are set. You can copy everything I'm doing. The indicators right now, which I've already told you guys, the price versus money flow, trend exhaustion, and the trend dashboard. These are brand new indicators that I've recoded. Okay, we've had these for a long time, but we recoded these. Everybody who gets the new bundle pack here as of, about 48 hours ago, you guys automatically get the new ones, okay? It's the people that I upgraded them for. We sent you out like 3 emails so you guys get the new ones. Here's a deal on indicators. Do not miss this. I will never have this price lower than this again. It's 48% off. Here's the deal. I'm going to make this fast because I want to get on to the next video today. I want to show you guys some more things. But the indicators, here's the ones that you guys need. Price versus money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. You're going to get 60% off each of these. If you guys buy them individually, that's fine. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY. You guys are going to overpay for about 25%, 24 to 25%, unless you get the bundle pack. Get the bundle pack today. I promise you guys this is the best deal possible. On checkout, just use coupon code Christmas and you guys will get the full 84% off on here. So instead of just saving yourself 60%, you guys are going to save yourself 84% over here, and that is going to be the best deal possible because on top of these 3, you actually get 6 more indicators on top of this, giving you a total of 9 indicators that you guys get with the bundle pack, and it's literally just a few more dollars than what you guys need to copy my charts. It's a no-brainer. I'll send an email out probably today to let you guys know about this so you can take advantage of this. It's this month only, so if you guys are able to snag this right now, definitely do it because this is going to go up in price. Oh, by the way, I'm also upping the price individually of the price versus money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion in the next couple months. Just so you guys know that. If you've purchased these individually in the past and you're like, man, I love this bundle pack deal. How do I take advantage of that? Email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com and tell my team, say, hey, I purchased the price versus money flow. I want to pay the difference and I want you guys to give me the bundle pack. We'll be like, sweet, we'll definitely do that. We'll hook you up. We'll just send you a PayPal invoice and you guys can pay the difference. And we'll actually give the indicators to you over email. It's so simple. It's a fun process we love doing. We want you guys to save money. buy the bundle pack. That's the best deal. All right, guys, let's see if Ethereum can hold this level. We really need to hold this because we're actually pretty close to getting back into the profit here. We're only 3.83% away from this. If this can start pushing back up here and we can see this bull flag formation actually break the resistance, we are heading for the next strongest structure resistance. It is at $4,500. So make sure you guys are watching that. Get the indicators on your charts before those go up in price. The indicators. Make sure you guys get the membership before that goes up in price as well. And guys, feel free, come over here and start taking some trades with us using the buy limits and get into the Telegram channel, and I'll keep you guys updated with what I'm seeing. Insider access into what I'm personally doing, and we have never lost a trade over here. Congrats, guys, for going 98 for 98 wins with us in the year of 2021. We still have a few days left, so we might hit 100 for 100, but we're going to try to go 200 for 200 wins in 2022. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing Christmas, and I'll see you guys on the next videos. Set everything else up you guys need. The indicators and the membership, it's all in the description or in the first comment that I pinned to this YouTube video. I'll see you guys later, and let's keep making some profits. Bye, guys.